In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw crypto from the platform BloFin to your own wallet or another exchange. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BloFin, make sure to go down to the first link in the video description. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $5,000 in bonuses. To create your account, simply enter your email address and set a password, and then you're ready to go. So to withdraw any money, we simply go up here to assets and then go to overview. Then we can see an overview of all of our assets. Then we simply go up here to withdraw. Next, we need to choose the cryptocurrency we want to withdraw. In my case, I'm going to choose USDT. Then I need to paste in the address right here that we copied from our own wallet or the other exchange, and also choose the network. So make sure you choose right here the same network from the platform that you're sending it to. So your own wallet or the other exchange, you will also see the network right there, and you need to make sure that you're using the same network right here. Then we need to type in the amount you want to withdraw. Down here, you also see your amount available. If you don't see it in here, maybe you still have it in a different account because you need to have it in your funding account in order to withdraw it. So you can just click on here and then choose from spot or futures, for example, and then you will see your available balance, hit all, confirm, and then you will see it available in here. And then you can choose how much of that you want to withdraw. In my case, I'm just going to choose max. And then all I need to do is just click on withdraw down here, and that's already it. The money should arrive within a few seconds. And I would recommend you, if it's the first time doing something like that, make sure to withdraw a small amount first. And then once you've received it, send the remaining amount. Don't forget to create an account on BloFin by using the first link down from the video description to get up to $5,000 in bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.